Hey, welcome back. We're doing oven baked ranch chicken with roasted ranch vegetables or veggies. Look at all the ranch. So we have some veggies here, some mushrooms, carrots, onions, red skin potatoes, and 6 chicken breasts. So we're gonna get started. So rinse my red skin potatoes, and then I'm going to chop them up. All chopped up. And then I'm going to have to separate these into 2 different pans. And then I'll add in my other vegetables. So I went ahead and added my carrots and mushrooms in, and then I will chop up my onions and add those in as well. So 1 onion per tin pan. And that's 1 onion there. Go ahead and put it in. I'm going to go ahead and break up my onions a little bit. That's about good enough. Those veggies look delicious. These are the same type of veggies you could use for like a pot roast too. Okay, now they're both done, and I'm gonna do my ranch veggie mix. So it's just gonna be a half a stick of butter for each tin pan. I'm using the Kerrygold butter. I'm going to melt the butter down in the bowl, and then I will add my ranch packet to it with a little bit of water, and then drizzle over top of my vegetables. And I'm going to use 2 packs of the ranch dressing. And I've also mixed this seasoning pack with sour cream and done it like a vegetable dip, and dip like cucumbers and carrots and all of that. It's really good. Then I'm just going to stir the packets together with the butter. You can also use olive oil if you don't want to use butter. And I'm going to add a little bit of water here. Make sure to get everything. And just pour over your vegetables. And I don't show it, but I do add water to the bottom of this pan because you don't want your vegetables to burn. And here's the second tin with the same exact mixture as I did for the first one. Okay, now we're gonna get started on our chicken. So in that bowl, I have already melted a whole stick of butter, and I've added 1 pack in, and I'm gonna add 2 more in. So it'll be 3 packs all together. And I have 6 chicken breasts there in my pan. In this mixture, I'm not going to add any water to it. It's just going to be the butter and the ranch seasoning pack. Stir it up well, and the same thing goes for this one. You don't have to use that stick of melted butter. You could use olive oil or vegetable oil or anything like that, but I think butter gives it a better flavor. Butter makes it better. So now that all this is mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and spread it over every single one of my chicken breasts. And these are boneless, skinless. This is such an easy recipe to do. You pretty much just have your vegetables and your chicken, and you just put your sauce over and throw it in the oven. So easy, and it tastes really good. So really hope that you guys will try this recipe. Okay, and then what's remaining, I'm just going to pour over the whole thing. Just a little bit of butter and some seasoning. And when I stick the vegetables and the chicken in the oven, it's going to go for 400 degrees. Well, the chicken's, well, it's all going to go for 400, but the chicken's going to go for about 40 minutes. And then the vegetables will take about an hour and 40 minutes. But if you want, you can go ahead and raise the temperature for your vegetables once you pull your chicken out. So the chicken only goes for 40 minutes. But if you want, you can put a thermometer in the chicken to check the temperature. If you're not sure about how long to bake your chicken. See, 400. And then once you pull the chicken out, go ahead and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Mandy's Planet.